In this video we are discussing question from GATE 2021 and this question is based on current mirror. So this is a very easy question, but it is a very good question to understand concept of current mirror also. So in this question 5 transistors are given to us, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say this transistor is Q1, this transistor is Q2, this transistor is Q3, this transistor is Q4 and this transistor is Q5. So 5 transistors are given to us. So and this says that the transistors are perfectly matched. So the transistors are perfectly matched and they all have a same current gain of beta. So beta is given to us, and the most important thing to note in this question is that beta value is very small. Beta value is only 20. Beta is not 100 or 1000 or infinite. Beta is a very small finite value of 20. So we cannot ignore base current. We cannot ignore base current IB. So it is a variation of a current mirror in which it is a special current of current mirror in which beta is not infinite or beta is not a very high value, so we cannot ignore the base current. Now we come to this current 1.25 milliampere. So this 1.25 milliampere is getting divided into two parts. First is this part. This is the so this 1.25 milliampere is getting divided into, first part is this part. So it is the collector current of transistor Q1. So we can write it as IC. And then it is getting divided into the base current of 5 transistors. Transistor Q5, transistor Q4, transistor Q3, transistor Q2 and also transistor Q1. So this part is going into the base current of these 1, 2, 3, 4 transistor and also this 5th transistor. So we have to write 5 IB. So this is the equation. If you have any doubt in this equation, then you can comment in the comment box. Now we have to find the value of I04. I04 is nothing but the collector current of Q5. So IC is obviously equal to I beta into IB. This is the formula we all know. IC equal to beta IB. So IB will be equal to IC upon beta, and beta value is given to us as 20. So this will be equal to 1.25 milliampere will be equal to IC plus 5 upon 20 IB. So 1.25 milliampere will be equal to IC plus 5 upon 20 IC. So IC plus 1 upon 4 IC. So this is nothing but 1.25 IC. So 1.25 milliampere is equal to 1.25 IC. So IC is 1 milliampere. Because 1.25 and 1.25 will get cancelled, so IC is 1 milliampere and IC is nothing but I04. So I04 will be equal to 1 milliampere. So this was a very special case of current mirror in which beta is not infinite. This is a current mirror circuit in which beta is not infinite. Beta is finite only, so base current will exist. So this current 1.25 milliampere is getting divided into the collector current of transistor Q1 and 5 base current, which are base current of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. So we write 1.25 milliampere equal to IC plus 5 IB, and then we can just solve the question. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and I have also solved many previous gate year questions as well. So I will give the playlist link in the description box. You can practice those questions as well. So thank you and best of luck for exams.